Hey YouTube, this is Print Practical. Today we're going to be going over a quick tip on how to use the Revolve tool in Fusion 360. This also applies to pretty much any other 3D drawing software, Inventor, Fusion 360, SolidWorks, whatever you use, they probably have a Revolve tool. The use case here is that I'm drawing a cup holder that's going to slide over the armrest of a chair, and I have two pretty much use cases for that cup holder. One is to hold a larger mug, and it's a larger diameter base, and then our normal cups that we use, which is a smaller diameter base. You can easily do this with two sketches and two extrusions, and then I'm going to show you a way that you can simplify that down into one sketch and one revolve to cut out those features in this design. So quickly, let me go over how you would do this. Using two sketches and an extrusion, you would click to add a sketch here on this surface. I'm going to put a circle here for the mug diameter, and I will center that within the surface, and then we would extrude that, and we're going to cut. And we're going to do the mug depth and negative because we want to cut down into it. And then we would create a second sketch. And we would draw another circle for the cup diameter. And then finish that sketch. Extrude. And we're going to go down the cup depth. And there we go. So that's the way to do it with two sketches and two extrudes. Now let me show you how to do it with the Revolve tool. The basic strategy we're going to use here is we're going to draw half of both of the circles, and then we're going to revolve it around an axis to cut the hole in this surface here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to construct a plane, and I'm going to do a mid-plane between these 2 points, which will give us a plane in the middle of this surface. Let's start a sketch there. We're going to slice that, and then I'm going to hit P just to project this top line into the sketch. Now, I'm going to take a rectangle, and I'm going to draw half of my cup holder for the mug. So it's going to be the mug depth, and it's going to be the mug diameter, but we're going to divide it by 2 since we're only drawing half of it. And then I am going to draw another rectangle for the cup depth and half of the cup diameter. So now if we finish that sketch, you can see that we have half of both profiles drawn. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top and hit the Revolve tool. Now you can see it's hard to select these profiles because they're in the middle of a solid object here. So what you're going to do is you're going to long click on this, which is going to bring up a small menu, and you can click the profile. And then that pretty much helps you for this part too. Click that. We're going to select an axis here, and we're going to select this line. Boom, it automatically knows we're trying to cut this out. Hit OK. And there you go. That was a successful use case for the Revolve tool. And it simplified our drawing in the one sketch, and we just revolved it around itself in order to cut out those two sections. So I hope this makes you think a little bit when you're drawing your stuff, and hopefully it was helpful. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.